Yucky. Do not drink. Poison. Hey, I'm Amy on A Lolly Life, and today we are going to be talking about carpet cleaners, but more importantly, carpet cleaner. The cleaner that you put inside of a carpet cleaner? Yeah, that. Because I'm going to make some, and I'm going to show you what I put in my carpet cleaner so that if you want to make some, you can. And if you don't and you want to just purchase it, that's okay too. But here's what I do. I need something to mix it in. I have an old milk jug. I have made sure to mark it so that it's readily obvious that this is not good for you and you should not be drinking it, and it is not what the container says. The other things that I'm using, totally awesome orange cleaner from the dollar store, and some OxiClean, one Tide pod. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill this up with hot water, almost to the top. I'm going to leave a little bit of head space, but almost to the top. Hot water. Okie dokie. Mostly full of hot water. Now I'm going to empty one Tide pod in there by poking it with a knife. To the trash. Now I'm going to add some OxiClean, and really all I do is I just put just a tiny bit, like basically to the top of this little first ridge. Yeah, not much. Put that in there. And then I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of Totally Awesome Cleaner. 1. 2. Now I'm going to put the lid on, and I'm going to give it a little shake just so that I can make sure that the powder stuff got dissolved in there and that it gets all mixed in. And just like that, we have cleaner for our carpet cleaner. Ta-da! And I'll see you next time on A Lolly Life.